Come on, he must be done with that scary movie mask, come on.
Hey Reaper, are you checking out the guy who made your devil mask?
Yeah, remember, oh wow, I think he has one. You know, I think I should try him again. I quite liked his Devil Reaper mask. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely give him a try, you know. The guy has vision and he definitely knows what you like, and, well, just look at the picture there.
You're right, I should. I'll drop him a message. And here it is, guys. What do you think? Scary enough for you? Now, I've been looking for one of these for some time, and well, OpenGrave FX has done a great job. Actually, they've done a killing job. Sorry for that, but, you know, if you don't like it, I might have to kill you. You know, because that's what I do, I'm the killer. So what do you guys think? Sharp? Exciting? I'll give you a little picture here. Here is how it looks without the hood. You don't get to see it naked very often now, do you? Now this was pretty hard to find, I have to say. It's a very good looking mask. If I had eyes, you still wouldn't be able to see them. Just let me know in the comment section what you think of it yourself. I am out of here. Bet you don't know where I am. Boom! Here I am!
Well guys, there it is, my Scary Movie hero mask at last. This is the prototype. This one will be going to a very good friend of mine, Sorio. He is going to be making me a number of tags as well. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, as you can see on the screen now, for updates as to when the mask will be up for sale officially. Otherwise, drop me a DM regardless. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be releasing a new one once I've made more copies of the mask. For the time being, like, subscribe, and be sure to keep it fucking creepy.